You breathe better, you live better. The Coway Air Purifier AP-3018B has dual motors, 3 circulation modes, and a 4-stage filtration system. Coway's 4-stage filtration system provides powerful cleaning in a wide area with 4-sided air suction. Coway Air Purifier AP-3018B. The dual engines provide customized care depending on room conditions. The air jet circulation mode intensively cleans the surrounding air. The surround circulation mode evenly purifies a large space by creating airflow in a wide area. The turbo circulation mode purifies both close and far distances using the dual engines. A larger and smarter air purifier. The pollutant sensor accurately measures the levels of PM2.5 and PM10 pollutants in the air and shows the measurement in an intuitive LED display. The low-noise design reduces resonance and vibration noise, which makes this purifier suitable for public places, such as libraries and schools. ENERGY STAR recognized Coway Air Purifier AP-3018B as the most efficient air purifier of 2023.